people waiting hours for medical transportation. Some say it is due to laws that block ambulance competition.
David Winter investigates whether those laws serve the public good.
When 6-year-old Kyler Truesdell fell off his motorcycle this summer, his mother says the doctor at the local hospital in Maysville told her that he should be transported to Cincinnati Children's to check for internal injuries.
Well, they made the phone calls and said Maysville couldn't transport, and they had another service to be able to transport, and we'd be about a 2-hour wait before they could get there.
2 hours?
Mm-hmm.
And your son is complaining of stomach pain. They say he needs to be taken to a trauma center.
Yep.
And they said you have to wait 2 hours?
Yep, and wouldn't let us take him by vehicle, so we had to wait on the ambulance.
And Latisha's uncle owns an ambulance company just 7 minutes away, just across the river in Ohio.
We would have done it for free, but it would have been illegal, so we couldn't do it. You know, it's just the nature of it.
Illegal because Kentucky, like 35 other states, including Ohio and Indiana, has a certificate of need, or CON law. It states if ambulance companies want to operate in Kentucky, they need to prove that there's a need and that it won't financially burden existing companies. Legacy Transport applied. 3 existing entities contested the application, and Legacy was denied.
It's supposed to be the greatest nation in the world. Who am I to tell a man that he can't try to start a business and raise his family? No, it's not. I don't got that right. I don't got that right, neither does he.
Legacy filed a lawsuit today in federal court seeking to abolish Kentucky's CON law. It alleges Kentucky arbitrarily blocks entrepreneurs from providing medical transportation, and it creates a competitor's veto, which unduly burdens interstate commerce. One of the competitors that contested Legacy's application is Maysville's fire department. The chief would not go on camera, but said the department uses the money that it makes from non-emergency transportation to offset the costs of emergency services, and competition could force an EMS tax. Latisha Truesdell just wants an ambulance when she needs one.
Whoever's available and as closest and can get there is who should be transporting.
Would have gotten your son to the hospital quicker.
Yep, it would have.
Well, it should be noted that we are talking about non-emergency medical transportation, like taking elderly people from nursing homes to doctor appointments, and for situations like Kyler's. Now, if there were a major emergency, Maysville's chief says that he could call an Ohio company for mutual aid. The defendant in this federal lawsuit, by the way, Kentucky's Cabinet for Health and Family Services, it did send us a statement saying that we have just received the lawsuit and will be reviewing it over the coming days. Adam? All right, David, thank you for that. Kentucky previously had a CON law for moving companies, but the same law firm representing the ambulance company we just highlighted sued in 2014 on behalf of a moving company and won that federal lawsuit. So now out-of-state moving companies can compete in Kentucky.